Stayed in here. Okay, can you pull the door open a little more? Right, cool. Okay. Did you get the main down? I'm going to pull it down. Houston, the main came down, all right. Houston, Roger, we copy. Standing by for your seat. Verified TV circuit breaker. Roger, TV circuit breaker's in. And base back there. Roger. And we're getting a picture on the TV. We have the picture. There's a great deal of contrast in it, and it's currently it's upside down on our monitor, so we can make out the amount of detail. Down the ladder now. Okay, I just get back up to that first step. It didn't collapse too far, but it's adequate to get back up. Roger, we copy. Everything is from copy. This is Houston, for a shadow photography on the sequence camera. Okay. At the foot of the ladder, the left footbands are only impressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches. So the surface appears to be very fine grained as you get close to it. It's almost like powder. Ground is very fine. I'm going to step off the land now. Maybe an eighth of an inch, but I can see the footprints of my boots and the tread in the fine sandy particles. Hey, look at the Houston, we're copy. Moving around as we suspected, it seemed like we have data that the simulation one footprint on the ground. We're essentially on a very level place. I can see some evidence of flames emanating from beneath the engine, but very insignificant amount. There's a great deal of contrast in it, and currently it's upside down on our monitor, but we can make out a fair amount of detail. a second for Shadow the Dog to got safety camera. At the foot of the ladder, the lamp footpads are only compressed distance about 1 or 2 inches, although the surface appearance is very, very fine grained as you get close to it. It's almost like a powder down there. It's very fine. Step off the lamb now. One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. Surface is fine and powdery. I can pick it up loosely with my toe. It does adhere in fine layers, like powdered charcoal to the sole inside the liquid. I only go in a small fraction of an inch, maybe an eighth of an inch, but I can see the footprint of my boots and the tread and a fine sandy particle. And here's more copy. Difficulty in moving around as we suspected. We have babies and the simulations of what this needed. We performed various simulations on the ground. Hopefully no trouble if you walk around. Did not leave a crater of any size. It has about 1 foot clearance on the ground. We're essentially on a very level place here. I can see some evidence of rays emanating underneath that engine, but very insignificant amount. I can see everything quite clearly the light is sufficiently bright to translate into the front of the lens that everything is very clearly Application is done. Okay. And we're getting a picture of the TV. There's a great deal of contrast in it, and there's currently a monitor, so we can make out a fair amount of detail. Okay, we can verify the position the opening that I have on the camera. Yeah, right. Buzz, this is Houston.